Got the tide.
That's a pretty picture.
He's what, like 200 feet high?
I think it's lower now.
Pull up.